Welcome to solverfy.
This is the answer to chapter 26, problem number 25 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem asks us to draw the products, including stereoisomers formed in each reaction. Okay, and so these are basically all the addition of a carbene to an alkene. And so for A, our product is going to look like this. So the addition will be right here. And we can just draw this single stereoisomer because this molecule is symmetric. And so, and because of the two methyl groups. So you'll see what I mean when we do part B. But basically, the fact that there are these two methyl groups here means that even if we were to draw this, with the stereochemistry reversed at these two carbons where we added the carbene, we can just rotate the molecule, 180 degrees vertically, and it would be the same molecule. So it suffices to draw just this single stereoisomer here for A. For B, we are going to have to draw two stereoisomers. So B is going to look like this. So we've added the carbon there. And we have our two hydrogens here. And so that carbon can add such that it is cis to this methyl group. Or the enantiomer would be the carbon adding such that it is trans to that methyl group. So we can draw this part the same way and then just draw the methyl group with opposite stereochemistry there. Okay, so there we go. There's B. For C, again, we're going to get a pair of enantiomers. So we can have our methyl group here, in which case this molecule will add like this. So hydrogen there, and we can get the opposite of that as well. So methyl group and hydrogen on dashes here, and the carbon that has added would then be on the wedge. Okay. For part D, so the stereochemistry of that methyl group is set for part D. And so what will change is just whether the carbon here adds cis or trans to that methyl group. So this stereochemistry is set. We can get cis addition, which would look like that. And so our hydrogens here on these carbons will be dashed, or we can get the opposite of that. So again, the stereochemistry at this position is set, so that's not going to change. But what could change is the side that carbon comes from. Okay, so there is part D. Part E, again, we'll get a pair of enantiomers. So this is probably the easiest way to draw this. I'm actually going to move this down a little bit. Okay, so there is the one, and then the other would look like this. Yeah, so the way that the book encourages us to draw this would be to flip everything. So this is flipped, and then we would just draw the same stereochemistries, but because it's flipped, obviously it's the opposite stereochemistries. If that makes sense. Oh God. Redraw that. Okay, so there we go. There is E. And then for F, again, we're dealing with a product that's going to be symmetrical. And so once again, we can just draw a single product here. Because even if we were to rotate and flip it about, it would still just be this stereochemistry. Okay, so there we go. There's part F. Yeah, so E and F on this page, and then A through D here on the first page. And that is the answer to chapter 26, problem number 25.